Love shoes. Shoes and bags, actually. These are the two things I really invest a lot of money in, I think. I think all girls love their shoes.
All right, and what is that one fashion accessory that you do not leave your home without?
My bag.
All right, so bag. Okay, well, so now, open to you all.
Thank you.
Wait. All right.
It's really good to see you, Shamita.
Thank you.
Tell us the very first shoes you have taken for yourself,
Oh my God, I don't remember that now.
or anyone who gifted you. How comfortable you are in high heels. It's quite.
I used to be very comfortable in high heels. No, I'm mostly seen in ballerinas. They're these flat little shoes with elastic. And of course, when I go out, then that's when I'm in my heels.
Okay, tell us about the designer you're wearing at the moment.
I'm
You're
wearing,
looking really hot.
Thank you. I'm wearing an Amy Villamoria outfit and Aldo shoes. And earrings are by Gauri Malhotra Narang.
Okay, Shamita, what are the three things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with any brand?
Credibility, of course. What kind of brand are you talking about?
Any
You
brand.
do.
Whenever you
Credibility, obviously, I think that's the only thing we sort of look for first. Let me just put it that way.
Okay, what happening on professional front? What's there in the pipeline? Are you working on some project?
I think I'm looking at, I'm actually getting some interesting stuff from television. So maybe soon I'll start some work on television. And there's also, I'm also very interested in doing some sort of, like these crossover films. So I'm looking for an interesting script. Till I don't get that, then obviously I won't zero in on anything.
Okay, if you can throw more light on that, are you doing? Will be going to see you doing a reality show or judging some,
Not a reality show right now, but in terms of television, I'm looking at fiction, but something a little different, not the typical Saas Bahu. So yeah,
something what Anil have done through
oh, that's
24?
nice, 24, yes.